National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a tornado warning for western Cameron County and Deep South Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a tornado on radar over Harlingen, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The tornado will be near San Benito by 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, La Paloma by 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Rancho Viejo by 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Please report tornadoes or frontal clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.
Having an affair with her? You want this money or not? Give her my best.